The topic of today's video is how to rotate and auto-scale a video clip in DaVinci Resolve. So in order to do this, we're going to work on the Edit tab, and you'll see we've dropped our picture in here. So make sure that you click on your picture before we do anything. And then we want to go into the top right-hand corner for the inspector. And here you can rotate your angle, zoom in, position. I think if you've been using DaVinci, you know how to use this. And if you make a mistake or you just want to set back to normal, you can just click on the right here on any of these and it'll set them back to the default. Now, if you're used to CapCut, what you can do is click on the bottom left here on the transform option, and that will allow you to just go in and move it around using these little nodes. And you can rotate, you can zoom, and pretty much everything you can do in the transform tab in the inspector. As well as if you scroll down on the inspector, in retime and scaling, you also have some other scaling options. Not really something you're going to use if you just normally adjust. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next video.